We all know that we are supposed to visualize our desires, right? We come up with our intentions and we visualize them. But here's the question: is your visualization helping, or is it actually hurting your progress? Let's talk about it. Hello, my name is Kirsten Barrett. Welcome to my channel. I love to talk about all things manifestation, universal laws and principles, and how to use your intuition to receive the desires that are most on your heart. If these are topics that interest you, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time I upload new videos. Thank you so much for being here. And as always, just comment, ask questions. I would love to answer your questions in an upcoming video. Okay, let's talk visualization. So I want you to do a little experiment. So here we go. Close your eyes and just take a moment to get into your current visualization. What is it that you've been desiring? Feel into it and notice how you feel in your body. Notice if you feel deeply connected to this intention or if it feels far away. Do you feel like you're really truly in it, or does it feel like it's a far away thing that you're trying to magnetize to you? Just notice, no judgment, you're just noticing. How do you feel in your body? And I'll give you a moment just to feel into that. And when you're ready, just after taking a quick body scan, notice your breathing, notice how you're feeling, and then bring yourself back. Super quick, I know, but it's just for demonstration purposes. So now I want you to think about something that is coming up that you're super excited about. Maybe it's a trip you have planned, maybe it's a dinner with friends or family, maybe it's a movie you're gonna go see, doesn't matter. Just think of something that you have on the calendar that you're excited about. And something that you care enough about that you're looking forward to it, right? You anticipate it. Every so often you think about it and you just get kind of like, oh yay, I'm gonna go do that thing. And you fully expect that it's all gonna work out for you to do that thing. So take a moment and get into that space of kind of daydreaming about that thing that you absolutely are expecting you're going to get to do. Feel into that. Almost like you're just kind of planning. What are you gonna wear? Who are you gonna see? What might you talk about? What are you expecting? You know, if you're gonna have a meal, what do you think you might eat? And you're just kind of like daydreaming with all that excitement of like, oh my God, this is happening. I can't wait. I'm so excited. And just feeling into that vision. Notice how that feels in your body. And when you're done, come back. Okay, so for me, this was a big realization because I realized that when I am visualizing from this place of like, here is this desire that I want and I need to use the power of my imagination and I need to visualize it, then the feeling of that was actually, it felt more like a fantasy. It felt like there was a separation between me and that thing. And even though I could put myself in that space, there wasn't a lot of expectation or anticipation. It was more like, oh, here's this future that I'm trying to connect with, and it feels really good. But it didn't necessarily cultivate these feelings of like, yes, this is done. This is absolutely happening. There's this certainty, right? So the vibe was a little like fantasy, right? Like, oh, I hope, I wish someday, yeah, wouldn't this be great, right? Whereas when I have something that I'm really looking forward to and I'm kind of rehearsing it in my head or playing it in my head as more of like a daydream, it's this thing that I'm so excited about that I can't not think about it, right? There's this anticipation, this expectation, like, oh my God, I can't wait till Friday night because this is what we're doing and it's gonna be so great and I've been wanting to do this thing and it's on the calendar and it's happening. There's a totally different feel to it, right? The energy is I know this is happening. I'm preparing for it. I'm planning for it. It's done, right? And there's just a deeper connection to it. It moves from the energy of I'm fantasizing about this thing that I hope I get to have, but I'm not really super intimate with it, to this thing where I am anticipating this is happening. I know it's happening, and I'm playing it in my head because I'm so looking forward to it, right? So that is the energy that I invite you to play with. When you sit down to do your visualization, or if you're doing your visualization throughout the day, really think about, am I coming to this vision with the energy of anticipation? Or am I just kind of feeling like it's this fantasy, this, yeah, it would be nice, and yeah, this would be great. And see if you can cultivate this feeling of anticipation, this feeling of expectation, this feeling of like, this is happening, and this is how I feel about that. This is how I'm going to feel in that experience, right? And really see if that anticipation can bring you in deeper connection and deeper intimacy and deeper communion with that vision. Okay, and then from that energy, notice what kind of intuitive hits you get, what kind of nudges come up as like action steps that would be great for you to take, that are in connection and in harmony and in resonance with that energy of anticipation, preparation, and expectation. So I hope that's helpful. Let me know in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.